everyone, I'm Priya from Takriti Software, and in this video I'm going to discuss how to improve the performance of a website by breaking a lengthy coding into chunks without affecting its core functionality. These tips come from Vaibhav Jain, a Drupal developer at Takriti Software. Vaibhav is a hardworking person and passionate about continuous innovation in Drupal. Thank you Vaibhav for this handy tip. We hope that this tip will be useful for the people getting tired of dealing with lengthy coding. Sometimes when we write code and execute it, we can see that execution is taking longer time than usual. One likely reason for that could be that the code is very lengthy and we need to make it short. To resolve this problem, we can break the code into chunks without affecting its core functionality. By following this, the execution time decreases. Let's see how to implement it by taking an example. I'm taking an example of a source code from one of the projects which we refined for performance. This source code was very lengthy and it contained around 5,000 lines of coding. Please note that this is one of the projects that Takriti is working on, and so we have grayed out certain URLs. Executing 5,000 lines of code in one go will affect the performance of the website and increase the page load time. As we can see here, this code is taking approximately 27 seconds to get executed. More importantly, if we see the memory usage is around 78 MB, but why this happens? As Drupal loads all the .module files on one page load, this makes the page heavy. To come out of this, we should bifurcate the code into different files so as to make sure all the code is not loaded on page load. The include file are not loaded when they are called, hence reducing the code to be loaded on every page load, thus reducing memory usage per page request. Now we have broken that source code into small chunks. If we look at one of the menu callback, a URL is given here. It is the address of the page. Here we have defined the file as well, in which we have stored a function which is to be called on this particular URL. So rather than defining the entire function in the same file, we have stored that function in an include file, and in menu hook defined in module file, we have stated the file name where the function exists. So when the Drupal calls the menu item, it will come on file the function is defined in and will be called, and content will get displayed on the page of that URL. Let's execute this code and see what happens. After executing this new source code, we can see a sizable decline in memory usage from 78.19 MB to 64.89 MB. It is a difference of around 14 MB or about 20% reduction, which is good in terms of the website's performance. We can also see that execution time is now 23 seconds. If we follow this practice while writing the code, we can see the significant improvement in the performance of the website. Thank you.